guys, and welcome to the 10th Doctor's Sonic Screwdriver from the day of the Doctor. Special edition, used by, David Tennant, built by Merlin Effects, a new sort of pale with orange in it. Of course, it's got the yellow helix in there now instead of the black. Another good thing is the the light, and the sound. They're both good. The light's very bright though. So in closed mode, this button here activates it. So that's one. That's another classic. And those two were the Matt Smiths. Those four. So now, when it's extended, you basically, this button here activates it when it's in top mode. So, that's one of the pros that I have with this. Two actually, this and that. The cons, obviously, it's not accurate. The button's normally on the slider, so you can activate it wherever you want. Also, that shouldn't come off. It